What types of vehicles are used for transportation of people, goods, and services in your village, town, or city?
Vehicle. Vehicle. A vehicle is a device or structure for transporting persons or things. Transportation. Transportation. Transportation is the movement of humans, animals, and goods from one place to another and the various means by which such movement is accomplished. Human beings have created many different types of vehicles for transportation. Vehicles may move by mechanical, animal, or human energy. Bus. Bus. A bus is a long motor vehicle for carrying passengers. Metrobus. Metrobus. A metrobus is a public bus that has its own lane. School bus. School bus. A school bus transports students to and from school. Shuttle bus. Shuttle bus. A shuttle bus travels regularly between two places. Taxi. Taxi. A taxi is an automobile that carries passengers for a fare. Uber. Uber. Uber is a transportation company with an app that allows passengers to hail a ride and drivers to charge fares and get paid. Train. Train. A train is a form of rail transport consisting of a series of connected vehicles that generally run along a railroad or railway track to transport passengers or cargo. Passenger train. Passenger train. A passenger train carries people within a city, city to city, cross country, or country to country. Mass rapid transit. Mass rapid transit. The mass rapid transit is an above ground and underground rail system for a short distance passenger train powered by electricity. Examples include metro train, subway train, tube train. High-speed rail train. High-speed rail train. A high-speed rail train is a long-distance passenger train which generally runs at speeds above 200 kilometers per hour to 320 kilometers per hour. Freight train. Freight train. A freight train is any train that is not used for carrying passengers. Much of the world's freight is transported by train, and the rail system in the U.S. is used mostly for transporting freight rather than passengers. Tram. Tram. A tram is a carrier that travels on an overhead cable or rails. Examples: cable car, trolley, streetcar. Boat. Boat. A boat is a small vessel propelled on water by oars, sails, or an engine. Ferry boat. Ferry boat. A ferry boat is a boat used to transport passengers, vehicles, and goods across a body of water. Tugboat. Tugboat. A tugboat is a marine vessel that maneuvers other vessels by pushing or pulling them with direct contact or a tow line. Commercial fishing boat. Commercial fishing boat. A commercial fishing boat engages in the catching or harvesting of fish or marine species. Shrimp boat. Shrimp boat. Shrimp boats are vessels, often outrigger trawlers, used for catching shrimp. Rowboat. Rowboat. A rowboat is a small boat propelled by use of oars. Motorboat. Motorboat. A motorboat, speedboat, or powerboat is a boat that is powered by an engine. Workboat. Workboat. A workboat is less than 25 meters in length, designed for service, support, logistical, and other tasks at sea. Ship. Ship. A ship is a large watercraft that travels the world's oceans and deep waterways, carrying goods or passengers, or in support of specialized missions, such as defense, research, and fishing. Container ship. Container ship. A container ship is designed to carry goods stowed in containers. Ro-ro ship. Ro-ro ship. Ro-ro, roll-on, roll-off ships are designed to carry wheeled cargo such as cars, trucks, semi-trailer trucks, buses, trailers, and railroad cars that are driven on and off the ship on their own wheels or using special port equipment. Cargo ship. Cargo ship. A cargo ship or freighter is a merchant ship that carries breakbulk cargo, goods, and materials from one port to another. Cruise ship. Cruise ship. A cruise ship is a large passenger ship used mainly for vacationing. Supply ship. Supply ship. A supply ship transports supplies, food, equipment, materials, and more to other ships or to offshore oil platforms. Barge. Barge. A barge is a flat-bottom vessel designed as a floating working platform for a variety of projects, for carrying cargo, freight, equipment, and much more. Raft. Raft. A raft or life raft is a flat, buoyant structure constructed for life-saving or made of timber or other materials fastened together, used as a boat or floating platform. Jet ski. Jet ski. A jet ski is a small jet-propelled vehicle that skims across the surface of water and typically is ridden like a motorcycle. Sailboat. Sailboat. A sailboat is a boat propelled partly or entirely by sails. Submarine. Submarine. A submarine is a watercraft capable of independent operation underwater. Aircraft. Aircraft. An aircraft is a vehicle that can fly by gaining support from the air. Airplane. Airplane. An airplane, also called aeroplane or plane, is any of a class of fixed-wing aircraft that is heavier than air, propelled by a screw propeller or a high-velocity jet, and supported by the dynamic reaction of the air against its wings. Airliner. Airliner. An airliner is a type of aircraft for transporting passengers and air cargo. Hot air balloon. Hot air balloon. A hot air balloon is a large balloon that is filled with heated air and that floats in the sky with a basket underneath for people to ride in. Helicopter. Helicopter. A helicopter is a type of aircraft that uses rotating or spinning wings called blades to fly. Small airplane. Small airplane. A small plane is a light aircraft that can be used commercially for passenger and freight transport, sightseeing, photography, and other roles, as well as personal use. Jet. Jet. A jet aircraft is an airplane that can rapidly travel long distances propelled by jet engines. Blimp. Blimp. A blimp is a large aircraft without wings consisting of a large bag filled with gas that is lighter than air and driven by engines. Glider. Glider. A glider is a light aircraft that is designed to fly for long periods without using an engine. Car. Car. An automobile or car is a self-propelled land vehicle with 4 wheels, powered by an internal combustion engine. Sport utility vehicle, SUV. A sport utility vehicle, or SUV, is a car classification that combines elements of road-going passenger cars with features from off-road vehicles, such as raised ground clearance and four-wheel drive.
Van. Van. A van is an enclosed truck or wagon for transporting goods, equipment, people, etc. Pickup truck. Pickup truck. A pickup truck or pickup is a light-duty truck that has an enclosed cabin and an open cargo area with low sides and a tailgate.
Jeep. Jeep. A Jeep is a type of small, strong vehicle used for crossing across rivers, rocky, muddy, snowy, sandy, difficult terrain. Recreational vehicle, or V. A recreational vehicle, often abbreviated as RV, is a motor vehicle or trailer which includes living quarters designed for accommodation. Wagon. Wagon. A wagon is a double-axle four-wheeled vehicle, usually pulled by a horse or other animal, and used for farming, transporting people, or freight. Cart. Cart. A cart is a single-axle, two-wheeled vehicle, usually pulled by a horse or other animal, and used for farming, transporting people, or freight. Motorcycle. Motorcycle. A motorcycle is a two-wheeled vehicle resembling a heavy bicycle, propelled by a gasoline engine. Motor scooter. Motor scooter. A motor scooter is a small two-wheeled vehicle with a low-powered gasoline engine. Electric scooter. Electric scooter. An electric scooter is a small two-wheeled vehicle powered by an electric motor. Snowmobile. Snowmobile. A snowmobile is a small motor vehicle with steerable skis in the front and revolving tracks in the rear for traveling over snow and ice. Golf cart. Golf cart. A golf cart is a small motorized vehicle for golfers and their equipment. All-terrain vehicle. All-terrain vehicle, ATV. ATV. An all-terrain vehicle is a vehicle with treads or wheels designed to travel on rough, uneven ground. Utility vehicle. Utility vehicle. A utility vehicle is a small vehicle for off-road use, typically having all-wheel drive, an open cab, and a truck-like bed. Bicycle. Bicycle. A bicycle is a vehicle composed of two wheels held in a frame, one behind the other, propelled by pushing on foot pedals, connected by a chain to the rear wheel, and steered with handlebars attached to the front wheel. Sled. Sled. A sled is a land vehicle that slides across a surface, usually of ice or snow. Skateboard. Skateboard. A skateboard is a short, narrow board mounted on roller skate wheels and usually ridden standing or crouching. Roller skates. Roller skates. Roller skates are a pair of boots or metal frames fitted to shoes with four wheels for gliding across a hard surface. Rollerblades. Rollerblades. Rollerblades are inline skates with 2 to 5 wheels arranged in a single line. Ice skates. Ice skates. Ice skates are boots made with a blade attached to the bottom, used for skating on ice. Snowboard. Snowboard. A snowboard is a board resembling a short, broad ski used for sliding downhill on snow. Surfboard. Surfboard. A surfboard is a long, narrow board for riding a wave towards the shore while standing or lying.
Stand-up paddleboard. SUP. Stand-up paddleboard. A stand-up paddleboard is a large surfboard that a rider stands upon and uses a paddle to move through the water.
Snow skis. Snow skis. Snow skis are a pair of narrow strips of semi-rigid material worn underfoot to glide over snow. Semi-truck. Semi-truck. A semi-truck or tractor refers to a big truck with an engine powerful enough to provide the pulling capacity needed to haul large semi-trailers with equipment and goods. Semi-truck with lowboy trailer. Semi-truck with lowboy trailer. A lowboy is a semi-trailer commonly used to haul heavy equipment and machinery, such as excavators, bulldozers, and other large construction equipment.
Semi-truck with flatbed trailer. Semi-truck with flatbed trailer. The flatbed trailer is an open, flat trailer, 48 feet to 53 feet in length, some with extensions for carrying long cargo, such as pipes, whose design is suitably made to carry bulk cargo.
Semi-truck with dry van trailer. Semi-truck with dry van trailer. A dry van is a type of semi-trailer that's fully enclosed to protect shipments from outside elements. Refrigerator truck. Refrigerator truck. A refrigerator truck is designed to carry perishable freight at low temperatures.
Concrete truck. Concrete truck. A concrete truck is made to mix concrete and transport it to the project site. Concrete boom pump truck. Concrete boom pump truck. A concrete boom pump truck has a container in the rear that collects concrete received from a concrete truck. A boom pump that uses a long remote-controlled robotic arm boom attached to the truck to place large volumes of concrete with accuracy at a project site. Logging truck. Logging truck. A logging truck is a heavy-duty truck attached to a trailer used to transport tree logs. Logging. Logging. Logging is the process of cutting, processing, and moving trees to a location for transport.
Vacuum truck. Vacuum truck. A vacuum truck is a type of tank truck that has a pump and a tank designed to suck liquids, sludges, slurries, or sand and water mixtures. Street sweeper. Street sweeper. A street sweeper is a machine that cleans streets. Tractor. Tractor. A tractor is a powerful motor vehicle with large rear wheels used chiefly on farms for hauling equipment and trailers. Bucket truck. Bucket truck. A bucket truck is a utility truck fitted with a hydraulic pole boom that has a man-carrying bucket at its end. Milk tanker truck. Milk tanker truck. A milk tanker truck is designed with a stainless steel tank for sanitation and used to transport milk or milk products from the dairy farm to milk processing plants. Box truck. Box truck. A box truck is a box-shaped vehicle commonly used by suppliers, vendors, moving companies, and shipping companies wherein the cargo area and the cab is separated. Snowplow. Snowplow. A snowplow works by using a blade to push snow to the side to clear it from a surface.
Garbage truck. Garbage truck. A garbage truck is a vehicle specially designed to collect municipal solid waste and transport it to a solid waste treatment facility, landfill, or recycling center. Mail truck. Mail truck. A mail truck in the USA is a United States Postal Service vehicle used to deliver mail, letters and packages to U.S. resident mailboxes.
Water truck. Water truck. A water truck is equipped with a large tank in the rear for transporting water and controlled spray nozzles for distributing it. Fuel truck. Fuel truck. A fuel truck, gas truck, tanker truck, or tanker is a vehicle designed specifically to transport crude oil, liquefied natural gas, and refined petroleum products. Forklift. Forklift. A forklift is a small vehicle with two power-operated forks at the front that can be slid under heavy loads and then raised for moving and stacking. Dump truck. Dump truck. A dump truck is a truck having a bed that tilts backward to dump material such as debris, rocks, soil, sand, etc.
Truck-mounted crane. Truck-mounted crane. A truck-mounted crane is designed to be very mobile, able to travel on a road and get to different areas of a project quickly to perform crane lifts.
Excavator. Excavator. An excavator is a large machine for digging, moving, or transporting loose rock, gravel, sand, or soil with a large toothed buckets. Special attachments may also be added to break rock, cut metal, demolition, etc. Road roller. Road roller. A road roller, sometimes called a roller compactor or just roller, is a compactor type engineering vehicle used to compact soil, gravel, concrete, or asphalt in the construction of roads and foundations. Grader. Grader. A grader is a wheeled machine for leveling the ground, especially in making roads. Skid steer loader. Skid steer loader. A skid steer loader is a machine with lift arms that can attach to a wide variety of attachments, is typically four-wheeled or tracked, maneuverable and adaptable in many projects. Backhoe. Backhoe. A backhoe is a tractor-like vehicle with a digging excavator backhoe at the rear and front-end loader. Bulldozer. Bulldozer. A bulldozer or dozer is a large motorized machine that travels on continuous tracks or large tires and is equipped with a metal blade to the front for pushing material, soil, sand, snow, rubble, or rock during construction or conversion work. Front-end loader. Front-end loader. A front-end loader is a heavy equipment machine used in construction to move or load materials such as soil, rock, sand, demolition debris, etc., into or onto another type of machinery. Ambulance. Ambulance. An ambulance is a vehicle specially equipped for taking sick or injured people to and from the hospital, especially in emergencies. Fire truck. Fire truck. A fire truck is a vehicle used for transporting firefighters and water to a fire or emergency incident, as well as carrying equipment for firefighting operations. Police car. Police car. A police car is a vehicle used by police officers for transportation, patrols, responding to emergencies, detaining suspects, and chases. Tow truck. Tow truck. A tow truck is used to tow, lift, then transport damaged, disabled, or illegally parked vehicles.